Hi everyone, welcome to Sandy La Pastelera. In this video, we are going to learn how to make this amazing vegan chocolate cake that has a vegan chocolate cake, a mixed berry coulis, and a vegan coconut mixed berry and chocolate mousse. Let's go to the recipe. For the recipe of this vegan chocolate cake, you will need the following ingredients: 200 grams of brown sugar, 250 grams of cake flour, 50 grams of cocoa powder, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons of bicarb, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 250 grams of warm water, 200 grams of soy milk, 1.5 tablespoons of apple vinegar, 100 grams of olive oil, 50 grams of cocoa butter, and 50 grams of espresso coffee. For the process of this recipe, we are going to start mixing our soy milk with our apple vinegar. We are going to leave it to rest, and then we are going to put in a bowl all the dry ingredients: the cake flour, brown sugar, cocoa powder, bicarb, baking powder, and salt. We are going to mix it using a whisk, and then we are going to add all the wet ingredients into the bowl. We are going to start adding our soy milk with our apple vinegar. Then we're going to add the oils, the olive oil and the melted cocoa butter. Then we're going to add the vanilla extract, the warm water and the coffee espresso. Once we have added all our ingredients, we are going to mix it using a spatula, and then we are going to weigh the batter and we are going to divide it in 2 molds. We are going to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for around 40 minutes. Normally 2 layers of cake is enough for most occasions, but if you're having a big party, you might want to make 3 layers of cake, like I have done here. To make an extra layer of vegan chocolate cake, all you will need to do is add 50% more to all the ingredients of vegan chocolate cake. In the description below, I have written out the recipe for a 2-layer vegan chocolate cake and the recipe for a 3-layer vegan chocolate cake. For the recipe of the vegan chocolate, coconut and mixed berry mousse, you will need the following ingredients: 144 grams of mixed berry puree, 16 grams of brown sugar, 210 grams of 70% dark chocolate, 437 grams of whipped coconut cream, 100 grams of brown sugar. For the mixed berry coulis, you will need 200 grams of mixed berry puree and 50 grams of brown sugar. You will mix them together and you will bring it to the boil. For the process of the vegan chocolate mousse, you are going to start whipping the coconut cream with 100 grams of brown sugar. You are going to semi-whip the cream and then you are going to leave it aside. You are going to put the 70% dark chocolate in a container. You are going to semi-melt it, and then you are going to put in another container the mixed berry puree with the 50 grams of brown sugar. And then once you have done that, you're going to put these 2 mixes in one container. You're going to mix it using a blender until you have a perfect emulsion. Once you have a perfect emulsion, you're going to start adding the whipped coconut cream a little bit by little bit, and then you're going to mix it all together and put it in the fridge for 12 hours so that the next day you can start adding the mousse to the cake. To assemble this vegan chocolate cake, we are going to start adding 1 layer of the vegan chocolate cake to the base. We are going to spread the mixed berry coulis and we are going to pipe the vegan chocolate mousse. We are going to add another layer of vegan chocolate cake, more mixed berry coulis, more vegan chocolate mousse, and then we are going to add the last layer of vegan chocolate cake. We are going to spread the mixed berry coulis, and finally we are going to add the last layer of vegan chocolate mousse. We are going to decorate our cake with some mixed berry coulis, caramelized almonds, and a little bit of gold flakes. Thanks very much for watching this video. I really enjoy sharing this vegan recipe with you. Please like this video and share it with your friends and family. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!